Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C31 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got a 3 buttons navigation, then simply find the button with probably 3 bars icon or square icon. I'm not really sure, but one of those, and simply tap on it. You will be immediately transferred to the recents. So let me open the recents as I said. And as you can see right here, you've got all previously opened apps. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one. All you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up, just like that. But if you'd like to remove all of them with only one click, just tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents again. And that was a misclick. So as you can see, after tapping on the clear all, in the recents we do not have any items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your REALME C31. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.